show you how to connect with these two. For example, if people pay less attention when you connection, it might be like this. It's rolled and put, and then after it seems like there is not so connect perfect. So that means when you put, you should like this. First lay, and then carefully, very, very carefully. Should put, give a power to this position, and then stand on it. See? That's perfect. From this way, no problem. But if you just put, not pay so more attention, it will be like this. See? This is the same math, but two different results. Should give a power to this position when you connect the two pieces. Then it's no problem.